This is Motorola Moto G32, and today I will show how you can turn on the Dolby Atmos feature on this device. So, to be frank, the Dolby Atmos feature on this phone is by default always enabled, and I cannot think of a method to turn it off. So anyway, in order to access it, you can either open the sound and vibration category of settings and tap at the Dolby Atmos from there, or you can just find the Dolby Atmos app. This will work just fine. Then you can not enable or activate, since as I've already mentioned it is active by default, but switch its preset, for example, select what usage scenario fits whatever situation you are currently in the best, or you can just select a custom preset and manually adjust the equalizer values, and so on and so forth. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.